Now the next paragraph, in this what we are going to discuss, how much time has been taken, how many meetings had been taken, how much detailed work has been done, what types of article has been done, what appendices had been made. So that what we are going to discuss here. Now the third paragraph of this topic, the Constitution Assembly met for 166 sessions spread over period of 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Means 25th March 1946 we got the Constituent Assembly, right? A cabinet meeting. Then 385 members were selected. Then 166 meetings were done, and in the span of time was 2 years, 11 months and 47 days. Right? So this all you have to remember thoroughly. So 2 years, 11 months and 17 days, members of the assembly has discussed threadbare each and every detail of the provision, keeping in concern the matter of constitution of different countries. So it's not like that we have made our own constitution. We have taken examples of all the other countries' constitution, like America, one of the oldest democratic country of the world, right? Then South Africa. There were other countries where constitution will be taken care of. Means they have taken a threadbare, means every minute detail of their constitution, other countries' constitution has been taken, had been discussed, had been debated, and from that what is good for our country, what will be better for our country, that other things had been taken from that. So that also been done at that period of time. Now in this constitution there are 295 articles and 8 appendices. After amendments with 33 with 395 articles and 9 appendices. Means in the constitution now there are how many? 295 articles and 8 appendices. Appendices means, articles means whatever the there is a 31A article is there, इसमें ये रूल है, दूसरा रूल है, तीसरा रूल है, तो उसमें लॉ बने हुए हैं एक आर्टिकल लेके. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर पॉलिटिक्स, फॉर इलेक्शन देयर इज वन आर्टिकल, राइट? तो फॉर दिस आर्टिकल what should be done, what should not be done, तो उसके सारे रूल्स होते हैं, राइट? तो वो होता है. एंड appendices means what? Appendices means once the constitution has been made, and after that when society changes, there is a requirement of new rules and regulations. उसके लिए हम constitution के अंदर जाके changes नहीं कर सकते हैं, right? तो to make other changes or to make new rules and regulations or law, appendices बनाए जाते हैं. लाइक जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का appendices बना, right? रिजर्वेशन कोटा का appendices बना. तो there is different types of appendices are there, right? So how many? 295 articles and 8 appendices after amendments. Amendments मतलब कि उसमें बहुत सारे changes किए गए. 295 articles और 8 appendices में, with 395 articles and 9 appendices. Finally we have 395 articles and 9 appendices. The constitution was framed on 26th November 1949. Means 25th March 1946 process started, and on 26th November 1949 the whole process of making the constitution had been completed. The constitution was unanimously passed in the Constituent Assembly. So the whatever the Constituent Assembly was made, in that the whole constitution was read, it was recorded, right? Still now if you will go to the parliament, you will find all the details of the written document, because the whole constitution was written first, right? It was recorded, all the debates, all the meetings, and then finally it was finalized. Constituent Assembly. On 26 January 1950, Constitution of India came into existence and India was declared a republic nation. Means 26 November 1949 the constitution was made. But when we have given to the country and we become a republic nation on 26th January 1950. The reason is what? Because Jawaharlal Nehru and the other members of Indian National Congress, they have taken a oath on 26th January 1930 that we will give our country a complete independence, यानी हम भारत को completely आजाद करेंगे. So that was taken on 26th January. So that is the reason our republic nation means that has been kept 26th January only. So 26th January we celebrate Republic Day and national fervor. In the Indian Constitution we have 4 lions as national emblem. You can see and you know that we have a national emblem where 4 lions are there for 4 directions, and the national slogan is what? Satyamev Jayate. Truth will always win. That has been told every time by Gandhi ji. The Constitution provides for citizenship, rights and duties of the people, directive principle and the state policy, union-state relation, elections and emergency provision. Thus, the Constitution of India is the most detailed and elaborated national document. Means every minute thing has been included. जैसे कि हम बोले तो स्टेट पॉलिसी, स्टेट में कैसे रहे, क्या क्या होनी चाहिए, यूनियन और स्टेट के रिलेशन कैसे होने चाहिए, when elections comes क्या क्या होना चाहिए, right? Emergency like COVID or novel coronavirus has come. So right now what we are dealing with that. तो वो तो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं लिखा हुआ है. तो उसके लिए अगर ऐसी इमरजेंसी आए तो किसको क्या पावर दिए गए हैं, right now we have lockdown, so we are listening to our prime minister. Why? Because that also has been written in constitution. Okay, at the time of emergency prime minister is having a power to deal the situation, whatever the situation of war or pandemic will come. So this all is included in it. Thus the Constitution of India is the most detailed and elaborated national document.